Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you?
I'd like to check in for my flight.
May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase. Please put it on the scale.
Sure.
Your bag is within the weight limit.
That's great.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is a 15.
Where is gate a 15?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you for your help.
At the immigration counter.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I have your passport?
Certainly.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a vacation.
How long will you stay?
5 days.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel downtown.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
Of course.
Everything looks good.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.